In this video, I'll show you how to give an employee unpaid leave in Xero Payroll, a simple process that can save you time and ensure your payroll records are accurate. If you're new to Xero or just need a quick explanation, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in. When you need to give an employee unpaid leave in Xero Payroll, it all starts with navigating to the employee's profile. After you've logged into Xero and accessed the payroll section, go to the Employees tab. From there, select the employee you want to apply unpaid leave for. This is where you can view all their details and employment information. Now, let's handle the leave part. Click on the Leave tab within the employee's profile. Here, you'll see options to track both paid and unpaid leave, but if you're setting up unpaid leave, you'll need to adjust how Xero tracks that. Click on Add Leave, and under Leave Type, select Unpaid Leave. You'll want to make sure that Xero knows this leave isn't paid, so it doesn't affect the employee's regular pay calculations. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is set the dates for the unpaid leave. Xero makes this easy by allowing you to select the start and end date of the leave period. Whether it's a single day or an extended period, just input the days off here. Once you've set this up, confirm the details are correct and save it. It's important to note that when you add unpaid leave to Xero, the system automatically adjusts the employee's pay for the period. It won't include this time in their regular earnings, which ensures that your records stay accurate. If you're using Xero Payroll for the first time, this automatic adjustment can be a big help in keeping everything streamlined. For employees with multiple leave types, you might want to review their leave balances and ensure the unpaid leave doesn't overlap with any paid leave they have remaining. This is especially important when calculating the total leave available or ensuring that your payroll doesn't make mistakes. Once you've added the unpaid leave, it's a good idea to double-check your payroll runs. Go into the Payroll tab, view the specific pay run you're working on, and confirm that the employee's unpaid leave has been applied correctly. This ensures you don't have any surprises when processing their pay at the end of the period. By using Xero Payroll, not only is the process of giving unpaid leave easy, but it also keeps everything organized. Xero automatically keeps track of leave balances, pay adjustments, and records everything accurately for you. If you're new to Xero, you'll appreciate how simple this process is once you get the hang of it. Remember, Xero offers a great way to handle all your payroll needs, from unpaid leave to pay runs. You can try out Xero for free by clicking the first link in the description below. With our exclusive bonus, you'll get a free trial and have full access to everything you need to manage payroll smoothly, including all the features we just went over. If you found this video helpful, stick around for more Xero tips. We've got tons of useful content to help you get the most out of your software. And don't forget, our exclusive trial gives you extra time to explore all the features Xero has to offer, absolutely free.